In this video, we will talk about visual binder, what it is, how it helps a child develop communication, and how to use it. So, what is a visual binder? Visual binder is a visual support tool, a form of primitive and alternative communication commonly used to facilitate communication for individuals with Autism Spectrum Disorder who have limited or no verbal language skills. Visual binder helps to increase communication. Children with ASD often experience challenges in expressive and receptive language skills. Visual binder provides them with a structure and visual means of communication, allowing them to express their needs, wants, and preferences effectively. For example, if the child wants food or water, he or she can simply use these specific pictures from the visual binder and communicate to the caretaker their needs. Or if the child does not like something or wants to do something else instead, all she or he needs to do is to use the picture of "well done" from the visual binder. Second, it helps with reducing frustration and challenging behaviors. Difficulty in communication can lead to frustration and behavior challenges in children with ASD. By providing them with a reliable communication system such as visual binder helps reduce frustration and the likelihood of problem behaviors associated with communication breakdowns. For example, a child may use specs to request a favorite toy, reducing the chances of tantrums or meltdowns due to unmet needs. Third, it helps in promoting social interaction. Visual binder also facilitates social interaction and initiation, as children can use the system to initiate conversation or interact with the people around. They can use the picture "hi", "play", "help", "hug", and so on from the visual binder to communicate with the people around them and let them know about their needs. This can enhance their social participation and interaction. Fourth and last, it helps with supporting language development. Visual binder is a stepping stone towards developing language skills. As children become familiar with the system and experience success in using it, they may develop a better understanding of how words and symbols represent their desired objects or actions. This understanding can facilitate further language development and transition to spoken communication. For example, every time the child is using the visual binder, the parent, adult, and caretaker is naming the picture that the kid is selecting, and that can lead to verbal saying those words one day. So, now that you know how helpful visual binder can be, allow me to explain how to use it in a few basic steps. First, observe and identify the needs. Observe and identify the objects, activities, or items of interest that your child wants and needs. Some basic items and needs from my personal experience are food, water, bathroom, toys, play, help, all done, and so on. The more you will use the binder, the more needs you will identify. After identifying the needs, you will create pictures that include those needs. Second step, picture selection. You will place all the pictures that you created based on your child's need in the binder. Initially, you will place one picture on the front of the binder that describes the need of the child at that moment. For example, if you know that your child is hungry and needs to eat, you will place that picture of food or eat on the front of the visual binder and ask your child, "What do you want?" At first, when you introduce the visual binder to your child, he or she may not understand what you are asking and expecting them to do. So, you will teach your child to remove that picture of food from the binder and give it to you in your hand. First step, handing over the picture. The individual gives the selected picture to a communication partner, for example, a teacher, parent, or therapist. The partner receives the picture and honors the communication by providing the requested item or facilitating the desired action. Please remember, after exchanging the picture, the caretaker will immediately offer the child the food within seconds so the child understands and learns the connection between picture and item. Fourth and last step, expanding communication. Over time, the individual is encouraged to use more pictures in front of the binder. So, once the child is fluent and can remove the one picture independently, then you will increase the number of picture presentation to 2, then to 3, until one day your child can independently look through the binder, find, remove, and give you the desired item. The pictures of the visual binder are usually simple, colorful, and represent the desired item or action. The visual binder and the use of pictures is scientifically proven to improve communication and reduce problem behaviors in children with ASD. However, it is important to note that individual outcomes may vary, and the implementation of visual binder should be tailored to the specific needs of each child. I hope this video helped you understand what visual binder is, how it helps a child to develop communication, and how to use it. If you have any questions, make sure you type them in the comments below, and I will do my best to get back to you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.